Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off profile transfer on Netflix account on Android device. By turning off the profile transfer feature, users can ensure that their profiles cannot be used or accessed by others on other devices. And then to do it, please open Chrome browser. And then here you can sign in to your Netflix account. And then press three line here. And then please select account. Okay, and then please scroll down. And then select turn off profile transfers. And then here you can simply press turn off profile transfer option. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to turn off profile transfer on Netflix account on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.